Pneumatic cylinders provide linear motion. What that means is they can push something forward and backward in a linear motion. The first thing you need to specify when ordering a cylinder is the stroke. The stroke is how far the shaft is going to come out. This is a 2-inch stroke cylinder, meaning the shaft is going to come 2 inches out from the body of the cylinder. The second thing to know when ordering a cylinder is the bore size. Bore size refers to the capacity inside the cylinder body. The bigger the bore size, the more force the cylinder can exert. This is a 3/4 inch bore cylinder. This is a 1-inch bore cylinder, a 1.5, and a 2-inch. As the bore size increases, so does the shaft size. Here again is the 3/4 inch bore, 1 inch, 1.5, and 2-inch. There are also 3 different types of cylinders: double acting, single acting, and reverse acting. The most common is a double acting. This means that air pushes the cylinder out and in using air from both sides of the cylinder. When air comes into this side, it forces it out. When air comes into this side, it forces it back in. A single acting only has one air port. When air comes into this port, it forces the cylinder out, and a spring inside is responsible for returning it. A reverse acting has the spring in the opposite direction. The shaft is naturally out, and when air comes to the top of the cylinder, it pushes the shaft in, and when air is released, the spring is responsible for pushing it back out. Cylinders also come with several mounting options. Mounting is the way in which you're going to mount the cylinder to your object. This cylinder is a universal mount. What this means is you can mount it from either the bottom or the top or both. There's threads on the bottom and the top. This cylinder is a nose mount cylinder. As you notice, there's only threads on the top for mounting. There are no threads on the bottom. That means that you have to mount it from the nose. FrightProps also offers cylinders in aluminum body and stainless steel body. This is an aluminum body 2-inch stroke 3/4 inch bore cylinder. This is a stainless steel cylinder in the same exact dimensions. As you can see, the stainless steel cylinder is a little bit smaller on the outside. The inside is the same, 3/4 inch bore. The stainless steel cylinders have a little bit smaller shaft than the aluminum cylinders. The most common type we sell is the aluminum body because they're a little bit less expensive and they work just as well.